Kanchanjunga Express accident: Goods train driver violated speed restrictions normal says railway board. Accident result in the death of 7 passengers and 2 railway staffs with 41 injured. Goods train driver authorized to cross red signals due to signaling defect exceeded permissible speed limits. Drivers overspeeding led to collision with stationary Kanchanjunga Express between RNI and CAT. Railway Board confirmed that the driver of Kanchanjunga Express followed safety normals, stopping at red signals and proceeding at 10 km per hour. Goods train driver disregarded safety normals, leading to fatal collision. It's a really very bad news for us. Really very bad news for us.